Welcome back to Hundreds of Tools. Whilst it's easy to overthink and get lost in all the different tool options, we're here to help you find the best workshop and garage tools and products for Amazon Prime Day or any other time of year. In this video we recommend something for everyone with a wide range of tools and products to be used in your garage or workshop. The choices are based on a number of different factors including product features, independent research and customer reviews. You can find the list of products in the description down below. Why not stick around to the end to see who hits the #1 spot in our review. Before we begin, be sure to like the video and subscribe to stay up to date with the best tools, equipment and accessories out there for you. For the garage or on the road, we recommend the AstroAI Air Compressor Tire Inflator Portable Air Pump. This powerful, fast inflation air compressor pumps your tyres with 35 litres per minute, so 0 to 26 psi in approximately 2 minutes, and it's easy to carry, weighing only 2.2 pounds. It's designed for complete safety protection. The AstroAI air compressor works on a wide range of applications. With 3 nozzles and an extra fuse, it can be used on cars, SUVs, motorbikes, and it can even inflate sports balls. The emergency LED light and screen means you can pump your tyres in the dark. Next we recommend the really useful DeWalt Toolbox DWST-08203. This strong toolbox is ideal for professionals or DIYers with a weight capacity of up to 88 pounds. With dimensions 21.5 by 12.5 by 12.25 inches, it fits a wide variety of tools in all shapes and sizes. The DeWalt Toolbox system means that tools can be organised, sorted and transported, and its robust, durable structure is water and dust resistant, plus the locking mechanism keeps the content secure. The third tool for a workshop or garage is the Milwaukee M12-255420 Stubby 3/8 impact wrench. This cordless impact wrench uses red lithium technology with a power stake brushless motor which provides more power, more runtime and longer life, plus the offset head means you can get to those hard to reach places. The Milwaukee M12 impact wrench is compact and lightweight but delivers 250 foot-pounds of breakaway torque to remove even the most rusted and stubborn bolts and fasteners, plus LED lights make it easy to see even in areas of poor lighting. The best pair of jack stands for a garage is the Big Red T43202 Torin steel jack stands. This pair of 3-ton jack stands has a pyramid foot base designed to keep them solidly in place, and they easily fit in most places, plus the large saddle area means a load of up to 600 pounds can be supported. The Big Red T43202 Torin steel jack stands can handle a range of vehicles from small cars to light duty trucks, and the height can be adjustable from 11.25 to 16.75 inches, and the locking pin, which is a great safety device feature. The fifth tool we recommend is the BOSCH 4.5-inch angle grinder. This angle grinder has a powerful 6-amp motor with an operating speed of 11,000 RPM, and yes, it weighs only 3.75 pounds, so it's a powerful yet compact tool that is constructed to be protected from metal and aggressive debris. The BOSCH 1375A 4.5-inch angle grinder has an ergonomic top handle and a well-designed auxiliary 2-position grip side handle that can be angled to a natural position for maximum operator comfort. Next up is a really useful addition to the work area, the DuroMax XP12000EH portable generator. This generator has plenty of power with 12,000 starting watt and 9,500 running watts, and is powered by a 457cc OHV engine with dual fuel technology, being able to run on propane or gasoline. The DuroMax XP12000EH portable generator is rugged, durable and built to last, with a handle kit, noise reducing muffler, all copper windings and solid fill tyres, plus it automatically shuts down when it senses the oil is low. Next, we think the WORX WX051 Pegasus folding work table would be really useful in your workshop. This sturdy work table is collapsible and lightweight, so it folds easily and quickly as it's only 30 pounds, but that's great if your job has a high load capacity as it holds up to 300 pounds or supports 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. The WORX WX051 Pegasus workbench and sawhorse is multi-purpose, long-lasting and has a storage shelf at the base that is designed to hold tools, power strips or anything you think you may need on the job. Plus you can connect multiple tables together to make a large work counter. When you are out on the job site, we highly recommend the Klein Tools 5541 BP14 tool bag. This heavy duty water resistant tradesman tool bag organiser is designed for ruggedness, organisation and comfort. It has 39 pockets for low loads of tool storage, plus a hard moulded front zipper pocket for small items to protect safety glasses, smartphones or multimeters. The Klein Tools 55421BP tool bag backpack interior has built-in tiers for a variety of storage needs and a fully moulded base section to protect contents from the elements, plus shoulder straps with extra padding for comfort, so it stores, transports, organises and protects all your tools. Another product for your garage or workshop we highly recommend is the Belkin Power Heavy Duty Extension Cord. This multifunctional 8-foot outlet surge protection strip can be used in the workshop, garage or house with its really useful 12-volt AC outlets, so one charging station for a clutter-free work surface. Plus it has a damage-resistant housing which protects the circuits from fire, impact and rust. The Belkin Power Strip Extension Cord is compact, heavy duty and space saving. The spaced outlets allow for bigger plugs, plus it secures devices from overload, short circuits or power spikes and comes in a variety of sizes. Finally, in this best 10 products and tools for the workshop or garage is the YESWELDER welding helmet. This welding helmet is lightweight and comfortable, designed with an updated headgear that provides extensive adjustability and support. Plus it has a pivot style that is lightweight and comfortable to wear, so it's great for TIG, MIG and MMA. The YESWELDER welding helmet has 2 premium sensors and optical clarity with true colour technology, giving a real colour clear view, not the traditional lime green, for improved visibility and reduced eye strain, and a viewing panel measuring 3 2/3 by 1 2/3 inches. So that's it, the best 10 products and tools for the garage or workshop, which got our team at Hundreds of Tools excited. If you have any helpful tools and product tips, do drop them in the comment section below. Plus we have put manufacturer's video link to a number of the tools below for more information. If you thought this video was useful, give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into the overwhelming world of tools. We look forward to seeing you in your projects again soon. Good luck.